Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be making some octopus. First you have to flip it inside out and rinse it completely. Then you'll add it into a pot of hot boiling water. I don't know if it's an old wives' tale, but they say that you should add a cork from a wine bottle into it to make it nice and tender. You'll let that boil for about 45 minutes. Once it's completely cooked, you'll take it out of the pot and you'll use olive oil, lemon juice, onion, garlic, and you'll marinate it. You just let that sit for maybe a couple of minutes. Then you'll get a nice hot pan, add some chile de árbol to it, the onions and the garlic, you saute that. Finally, you add the octopus and enjoy.